Here's what I'm bringing in my tech/camera bag to CES 2023. First off, let's start with the bag itself. I'm going to be using the Terran camera backpack due to its fairly small footprint and its ability to carry a tripod, along with having some easy access to my equipment, which will be awesome for the showroom floor. By the way, I'll have everything mentioned in this video linked in the video description. Starting off with what's on the outside of my bag, I have the Manfrotto Element M2 monopod, which will be pairing up with the Manfrotto X Pro fluid head for buttery smooth pan and tilt shots. As I make all my videos with my iPhone 14 Pro, I'll need something to attach my smartphone to the fluid head, so I'll be bringing this adjustable smartphone mount for both vertical and horizontal videos. Now moving into the bag itself, the first thing here is my battery bank of choice, which is the Anker 525, which has a very large capacity and can do 20 watts of power delivery. Now moving into our main pockets, I have my mouse of choice, which is the Logitech MX Master 3, which will be perfect for all my video editing while on the go. On the opposite side, I have my tech accessory bag from BagSmart, which is full of various technology accessories, ranging everything from my external SSD, which is the Samsung T7 Shield, to a USB-C hub from Anker, to Lightning and USB-C chargers to keep all my devices powered. Now moving to the center pocket, I have two things. First is what I'll primarily be using to shoot on the go, which is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, which is perfect for on-the-go filming with your smartphone. I also plan to be doing a full review of this once I'm done with the trip, so stay tuned for that. Underneath the Osmo, I also have an extra mini tripod, which is great for vlog style content if I ever need it. Up at the top of the bag, I also have this Aperture Light, which is great for some extra lighting on the showroom floor. Lastly, in this section, I have two different microphone setups. First is my Sennheiser XS Lab mobile microphone, which I can connect to my smartphone using a Lightning to 3.5mm adapter. And my other option for audio is the DJI mic, which is great for the showroom floor and for any interviews I happen to conduct. It also comes in this great wireless charging case, which is great so I know it's always going to be charged. Now moving to the back of the bag, I have my 2018 MacBook Pro 13-inch in the Tomahawk cover, where I also keep its USB-C charge. On top of this, there are also three other tech products I'll be bringing with me that won't necessarily be in my backpack. First is my AirPods Pros, which I always carry in my pocket and almost never put in my bag itself. I'll also be bringing my Anker 543 charging hub to keep everything powered and a 10-foot HDMI cable, which will both be in my suitcase. I'm honestly so excited to be going and so thankful to each and every one of you for making this a possibility. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date with all of our latest CES coverage.